In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete files that cannot be deleted in Windows 11 or 10. Sometimes we encounter this issue when trying to delete a corrupted file or folder. In this tutorial, I'll share two easy methods to resolve this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Using WinRAR. WinRAR enables users to delete original files or folders. Please ensure WinRAR is installed on your computer before performing the following steps. Open the Windows search bar and type WinRAR. Right-click on WinRAR and select Run as Administrator. Navigate to the location of the file or folder you want to delete. In this example, the file is on the desktop. Select the file or folder you want to delete. Press the Shift plus Delete keys on your keyboard. Click Yes when prompted. Your file or folder should now be deleted automatically. If this method does not work, proceed to the second method. Method 2. Using Command Prompt. Click on the Windows search icon and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type CD/D. Locate the file or folder you want to delete. Right-click on the file or folder and select Properties. Copy the file or folder's location from the Properties window. Return to the Command Prompt window. Enter a space and paste the copied address. Press Enter. Next, type the following command, rmdir/q/s. Copy the exact file or folder name. Return to the Command Prompt window. Enter a space and paste the copied folder name. Press Enter. Your file or folder should now be deleted automatically. Please remember this action is irreversible. Double-check the selected file or folder before executing the command.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.